How you doing, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I got a pretty fun project today, and that is replacing the weather stripping in the back hatch. This is the one I picked up from, where did I get this? Oh, Zip Corvette I got this from. This is the improved design. It's supposed to have basically a really tough corner here. It's supposed to be like reinforced, and it's supposed to be better. So I went ahead and dished out the extra 45 bucks for the improved design. Let me show you the weather stripping, what it's looking like now. This is going to take a while cleaning all this up, but you can see previous owner tried to seal it off where it was leaking. Leaked a lot from this area right here, right into the interior, right in here. I believe this comes off too. Yeah, look at all that. Look at this. It's just... So I'm gonna go ahead and just get this out of here because this was long overdue. This is gonna be a while to clean all this up. But basically I'm gonna get in there with like a non-scratch pad and just clean all that up, all that debris, all this gunky stuff. Look at that. So this is what's on the agenda today. I was gonna do spark plugs and wires, but I decided I wanna fix this hatch seal problem first, because honestly, if this thing's out in the water or rain or anything, it will leak like crazy. The first day I had this car, I didn't know it had a leaking problem, and I had it out in the rain overnight, and a lot of water came in the interior, and after that I'm like, no more. Gonna fix this problem. Because think of it, this little rubber problem can cause major interior problems, so address it now, get it done, get it over with, but everything else will be sealed after that. Just a quick shot of the car. I took some action shots driving this thing on the street. They came out great, the pictures. Put them on my Instagram. Yeah, this will be going in. I gotta start cleaning up all this stuff. Car's been running good. Nothing really new to report. My mileage is down. It says I'm averaging 12 miles to the gallon, which should be up higher than that. It should be like 15 and a half, maybe 14 on a bad day. So I gotta see what's going on with that. Could be a fuel injector, could be ignition stuff that just needs to be replaced. I mean, these plugs, I'm gonna change them very soon, and then the wires and distributor, the whole works. I like this interior a lot. But yep. Jeez. Oh, look at all that stuff under there. Jesus. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some weather stripping adhesive on certain parts of it. Maybe not the entire thing, but areas that it needs. Anyway, guys, just a quick video. I wanted to share with you the next upgrade I will be doing is this weather stripping. And it wasn't cheap. Gosh. This thing was, what was it, like 120 bucks or more, I think. So it's not cheap. Anyway, guys, this is Gearhead Abe. I hope you guys all have a great week, and thanks for watching all my stuff.